from Just Tutors, and in today's video we are going to learn about Roman numerals. So the main subtopics which we are going to cover in this video are Roman numerals up to 20, and then we'll have a quick discussion about different rules related to Roman numerals. So now let's move forward, and here are a few warm-up questions for you. You can please pause the video and try the given questions, and once you are done you can resume the video to check your answers. So for the first question, you can pick any 5 numbers of your choice, and if we talk about reading the given numbers, we can read the first number like 1238, next number is 165, and the third one is 956. We'll pat you back if all of your answers are correct, and now let's move forward and let's have a quick discussion about Roman numerals. So if we talk about Roman numerals, we can say that the numbers are represented or shown in a different way than the normal number system. We basically use the English alphabets to read or write Roman numerals. So let's learn that how we can do it. Let's begin with the first 10 letters of Roman numerals. So we can use the alphabet I to write 1. If we talk about the letter 5 or the number 5, we can use the letter V for that. We can use letter X for the number 10. So for now, basically we need to give focus about these 3 letters, which is I, V and X, and with the help of these 3 alphabets we are going to make the rest of the numbers. So let's learn that how we can do that. Let's begin with the first rule. So the first rule says that if I or X is written consecutively 2 or 3 times, the sum total is the number they make. For example, the value of I is 1, so that's 1. Now we have 2 i's here, which is same as 1 add 1, which makes a 2. Next one is 3 i's, which is basically 1 add 1 add 1, which gives you a number 3. So basically what we are doing here is we are adding the numbers together. But we need to make sure that we can use a symbol maximum of 3 times. So that's 10, that's 20. Let's say if you want to make a 30, so you can use the letter X 3 times, which is basically 10 add 10 add 10, and that gives you a number 30. For that we have to take care about one more thing, which is the numeral V is never repeated consecutively. For example, if we need to write a 10, we have the letter X for that. We cannot write 10 like V and V. So that's not the right way of writing 10. So that was the first rule. Now let's move forward and let's talk about the next rule. So the next rule says that when either I or V is written on the right of the symbol of a bigger number, its value is added to the value of the bigger number. For example, if I talk about this number VI, which is basically a 6, so we are writing this I to the right of V, which is a bigger symbol. So basically what we are doing is we are adding these 2 symbols together, which is 5 add 1, which gives you the value of 6. So in simple words, we can say that whenever you're writing a smaller symbol to the right of the bigger one, we are basically adding. For example, if you want to write a 7, so I can say that 7 is same as 5 add 2. We know that how we can write 5, which is V. We know that 5 add 2 is 7, so that is 2, and that's how we can create a 7. So we can use different ways to create numbers here. Now let's move forward and let's talk about the next rule. Likewise, when I is written on the left of V or X, then its value is subtracted from the value of V or X. For example, if I talk about this 4, so I is a smaller symbol which is written before a bigger symbol, which means take away, which is basically 5 take away 1, that gives you a value 4. Well, the same case is here, like you're writing I in front of X. So I is a smaller number and you're writing it before X, which is basically 10 take away 1, that gives you the value 9. So that was all about different rules related to Roman numerals. Now let's move forward. So here are a few questions for you to practice. You can please pause the video and try the given questions, and once you are done you can resume the video to check your answers. Well, congratulations if all of your answers are correct, and thank you for watching this video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.